A severe thunderstorm watch is ended for the following regions. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 10:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 6, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Municipal District of Rocky View near Cochrane. A severe thunderstorm watch